1970s. Astronomers discovered one of the most mysterious phenomena in space. They were studying the cosmic microwave background, which is the leftover light in space since the Big Bang. They discovered something very interesting. The Milky Way is warmer on one side than the other side. It means our galaxy is being pulled in a certain direction in space. This is incredible! What is causing our galaxy to be pulled like that? And what about this specific direction? We have not been able to find out exactly what is pulling objects, but we think it's on the other side of the Milky Way Galaxy. This spot in space is called the Great Attractor, where all objects are powerfully pulled. One of the reasons we know so little about the Great Attractor is because it happens to be in a section of space known as the zone of avoidance, where there are tons of gas and dust which can make things hard for us to see. We see that nearby galaxies are moving toward the Great Attractor. No one knows exactly how this happens. It can be due to an object with massive gravity that were due to something even more mysterious. When evidence of the Great Attractor was first discovered in the 1970s, we had no way to see through that zone of avoidance. But today, X-ray astronomy has become more powerful and more advanced that we have been able to spot objects within that region. It was unbelievably surprising. We found a supercluster of galaxies in the area of the Great Attractor known as the Norma Cluster. It is so massive that it can reach a mass of almost 1,000 trillion suns. A supercluster is not just a random grouping of galaxies, but rather a section of space where all the galaxies converging on that area share their gravitational force into one central point. While the Norma Cluster is massive, and local galaxies are moving toward it, it doesn't explain the full motion of all galaxies. The Great Attractor has a not large enough mass to account for all of the gravitational pull that galaxies are experiencing. Not only that, but there is another huge surprise. When we look at a larger region of galaxies, we find that these galaxies in the Great Attractor are moving towards something even larger. It's known as the Shapley Supercluster. This is the largest galaxy cluster within 1 billion light-years. It contains more than 8,000 galaxies. This group of galaxies is constantly attracting our galaxy, as well as all other galaxies in this region of space. And now the question is, will the Great Attractor destroy our galaxy, the Milky Way? Fortunately, dark energy is what caused our galaxy to become stable. Without it, the Great Attractor would pull our galaxy and doom us all. Although the nature of dark energy is unknown till today, we do know that it's accelerating the expansion of our universe. So our galaxy is totally safe as long as we are far from the Great Attractor. In your opinion, what is the Great Attractor? Or there might be something even larger pulling our galaxy. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again!